What I was saying was it triggered on 5s earlier, so it was a 30 move, and we weren't sure it was going to trigger again. Trigger on 5s meaning that it passed the previous 5-minute candle, and how it touched yesterday's low. And I was talking about how I set my partial stops just in case I wanted to come down to this area, the 1340s. And since it's still early, we can still wait for that. We can still watch for that if you have an extra screen or something. AMD to the 1340s later on today. It triggered on 2s a while back. So I was saying that I was aiming for that 76 area, but I was watching the level 2 to see the strength, and it was really sketchy, like how it keeps going back and forth. So I just take it while I can. Yep, that's my story. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys on mute, and hopefully we can find something else.
Unmuted.
I can see a line right here. I can draw a line from here to here, here to here. Just triggered on 5s here. The volume isn't ideal, but there is room up to here. So there's a 3-cent spread, 10 cents away. So I'm gonna just try for 300 shares here. Oops, I only got 250 out of it. This is just a scalp, and I don't know where I put my stop. I guess I'll put it at 34. Full stop at 34. This is just going to be for a few. What's going on here? Oh, I already did it. Not enough coffee. Okay, so it's in this resistance area here. I'm probably just going to take it. So it's almost already to the 2-minute 90 MA at 721. 761. But the 5-minute is 772. And that is a good area right there. 70, 60 something. But let me just readjust my stops here. I'm gonna do 753. And I have a weird amount of shares. Let's do 427. Get rid of those down there. And then the rest low a day. 750. 300 shares of those. So 5-minute is 772. I'm not sure about that, but I do like this volume here. Let's look back here. Historically, when we have volume like that, yeah, good things happen. So I like the bid here. Stronger on the bid. That looks good. A lot of action going on here. Still looks good. Stronger on the bid. SPY's blowing it up. See if we can get a pop over 65. Up to here maybe, 67. Ooh, these are some nice numbers here. Okay, now the volume's popped up a bit. Could be a good or a bad thing. Okay, now we're at this area here. This is good. 52 here. 62, I mean. Nice. from selling all. My average was bad and I didn't have enough shares to make up. But it would have been good if you had the right amount of shares. Selge. I may take some here on Selge. 3-cent spread. I'm taking some Selge here. Hold on one sec, I'll switch screens when I set my stop. Because this one's slippery. Okay. So it makes some nice moves here. And I see this ramp here and it left. It did a nice reset, came back up, and it reset again. Mainly due to this daily at 50. It went to 57, right now it's 50. And all the way back here, I don't know what that line is. I just got stopped out a bit. All the way back here is 127. So 43 cents away. This one's slippery.
Yeah.
If I get another red candle, I'm shorting more. I think this is SPY related actually. It's just helping me out a bit. The problem is it's holding, so okay, that's not bad. Looking nice on level 2 here. $126.49 is the 2-minute, and $126.32. Still looks good here. So watching level 2 right here. Remember, this one's slippery. Okay, still looks kind of okay. Yeah, it looks better now.
Yeah.
Watch out.
LBTYK.
Gotta watch out for SPY though. Okay. I'm about to. Nice. I'm out now. I'm like just chipping away. Commission's gonna eat me a little bit. So I'm up 278. It's pretty good. I'm trading practical for a small account, I think. Kinda. Yeah, I agree. You see, what's the range on Snap? Up to, so I got 20 cents on the 5-minute. Yeah, that one's good. Snap is probably a safer bet than my Whirlpool. But the one thing about the Whirlpool is this thing has a 70 cent from the 5-minute. Okay. I'm gonna try some here. $87. I'll take out half. And take out another half at 80. But if it goes, I'm going to add. It goes over this area. Okay, next candle. Whoa. Okay. I wasn't ready. I need a 79. 63 was the low of this candle. Did I get faked out? Possibly. I'm taking some more here. Looks like I got faked out. So 200 shares at 83. SPY's pushing down a bit. Oh no, it's not. Snap is about to go. So I needed to go over for 177.10.
Unchanged from December. See slightly steeper rate path in 2019, unchanged in 2017, 2018. See Fed funds rate at medium of 1.4% at the end of 2017, 2.1% at the end of 2018, 3% end of 2019, 3% in longer run. GDP projections slightly higher in 2018, unchanged for 2017, 2019. Longer run GDP projections at 1.8%, unchanged from December. Unemployment projections unchanged for 2017, 2018, and 2019. Longer run unemployment projection 4.7%, down from 4.8%.
Yeah, I'm shorting here a little bit. I don't want this to go, so at 75, I'll take out 100. And
That's your Yellen
80,
now speaking.
I'll take out 100 more. Just triggered on 5s. I want it to travel down a bit. There's plenty of room down to 50 here. Oops, I lost my chart. There you go. So if it breaks down here, the 60s, and that would be a good thing. Looking good on the ask here. Yeah, I may short some more here. Okay, I got 100 shares. 40 possibly, or 50. Watching level 2. Looking good on the ask.
Yellen says labor participation further sign of improving conditions.
Breaking down that 54. Nice. Taking it. Okay, I'm up 422. Okay.
Yellen says monetary policy remains a common data.
I'm showing some here. I'll have a high day stop in place because 110.90 is just too far away to risk. So break down below 50 here. Let me add a bit. 110.37 is the 2 minute. So right here about. Okay, it's faking out a little bit. Looks really good here. This amount of volume. Yeah, it looks really good here. I feel like adding a bit here.
Yellen says Fed funds rate does not have to rise that much to get to neutral.
Okay, 110.39. Watching level 2 here. You break down this 46.
XCO, XCO resources getting a pop here to 74 cents the high. X-ray Charlie Oscar.
110.40 would be the trigger for the 5s. Well, right here, 110.38 we trigger on
Shares
5s.
halted on a circuit breaker. X-ray Charlie Oscar.
Looking good here for another push down, I think. Or not. I'll take it. Oh. Okay, so I'm up 461. So VLRS isn't going the right way, but this one is reversing a bit. I think there is a little bit of a magnetic pull to the 50 SMA. 89.97. It's pretty far away though. 89.97. It's all the way up here. So I don't think it'll make it. But it may make it to the 590 MA of 89.68. 89.68 is right here. Which is really nice. Let me add a little bit here, just a little bit. 89.29. Oh, the spreads. 89.29. Let's see. I'm gonna need a little bit of a push back up, or else I'll turn red on this one. Okay, so 89.50 is the 2 minute right here. That's very possible. 89.67 is right
Yellen
here.
says expect policy to remain accommodative for some time.
Watching level 2 here.
Steve.
Let's hope that one was just a reset.
FB, Facebook, seeing some cool activity. September
Okay, stopped out
145
of
calls
VLRS.
between $7 and $7.10, 20,000 contracts on Foxtrot Bravo.
See if
Shares
I
of
can.
Facebook just off the highs of 139.89.
Spy's pushing it down a bit here. Let's see if this one can hold and push on up. Oh, That's sad. It didn't hold.
XCO. X-ray Charlie Oscar, open, spiking to a high of 81 cents. That's XCO shares opening.
STI here, looking good.
86
Buying
cents
some
the high
here.
on XCO.
51, 500 shares. It goes over 60. Let's see if it'll turn around here. Watching level 2. It looks good. I'm shorting some here. High day is 86. Showing some more. Oops. Missed it. Well. Still looks good. Showing some more. Okay. So I'll have 300 above this candle, above 83, above 82 I mean, and 86, a high day. Oh, hold on one sec, looks like I'm about to get out early. Watching level 2 here. Oh, flipped around on us. Okay, I'm taking it. Okay, I'm up 604. Okay, I forgot to record again. So I did a few trades here. And this one's looking really good because it's really whippy. With tight spreads even. So there's 12 minutes left, and I'm thinking it's time to create its wick on the candle. So where will it go? Ideally, I would like it right here, at 28. So right around here would be nice. Okay, I'm buying all. That's taking too long. Okay, I'm up 650.